Hello and welcome to this video on what is finance. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of finance, its importance in our lives, and how it can help us achieve our financial goals. Finance is the study of how individuals, businesses, and governments manage their money, allocate resources, and make financial decisions. It encompasses a wide range of activities related to the management of money and financial assets, including budgeting, investing, lending, borrowing, and managing risk. There are two main types of finance: personal finance and corporate finance. Personal finance deals with managing individual or household finances, while corporate finance deals with managing the finances of businesses and organizations. Personal finance includes managing one's income, expenses, savings, and investments. While corporate finance includes managing the finances of a company, such as funding its operations, investments, and growth. Finance is an integral part of our lives, whether we realize it or not. It's the backbone of our economy and is essential for the functioning of businesses and individuals alike. At its core, finance is all about managing money. It's about making smart decisions about how we earn, spend, save, and invest our money. Finance helps us plan for the future, mitigate risks, and achieve our financial goals. For individuals, finance is important because it helps us manage our personal finances effectively. Whether it's creating a budget, saving for retirement, or investing in the stock market, having a good understanding of finance is crucial for achieving financial security and independence. For businesses, finance is even more critical. Without proper financial management, businesses would not be able to survive, let alone thrive. Finance helps businesses make informed decisions about investments, manage cash flow, and assess financial risks. It's also crucial for raising capital, whether it's through equity or debt financing. Overall, the importance of finance cannot be overstated. Whether you're an individual or a business, having a good understanding of finance is crucial for achieving financial security, stability, and success. So, whether you're planning your personal finances or managing a business, it's important to make finance a priority. Financial markets are the markets where financial assets, such as stocks, bonds, and commodities, are traded. These markets are crucial for the functioning of the economy as they facilitate the flow of capital between investors and borrowers. Financial markets include stock markets, bond markets, commodity markets, and foreign exchange markets. Financial instruments are contracts that represent a specific financial value or asset. Stocks, bonds, options, futures, and derivatives are some common types. They are used to manage financial risks, and create investment opportunities. Understanding these instruments is essential for making informed investment decisions and managing financial risks. In conclusion, finance is an important field of study that deals with the management of money and financial assets. It plays a crucial role in our lives by helping us achieve our financial goals and secure our financial future. By understanding the basics of finance, we can make informed decisions about our money and investments and build a secure financial future for ourselves and our families.